Master mode allows you to measure custom angles and create personalized evaluations. Come here, I will show you how it works.
The analysis interface remains the same. To pin or remove markers, use the controls at the bottom. To select the type of angle that will be measured, you use controls over here. And right now we will try to measure an angle between 2 points and the horizontal axis. As you can see, we have our angle here. Now we will try to measure a vertical angle, calculated between 2 points and the vertical axis. Now we will measure an angle between 3 points that are represented by the markers that I'm inputting now. And here we see 176 degrees. Once you are done, you click the Finish button and you will find the image you've just generated and your report. You can also add your additional commentary like so. Once you have finished inputting all of your commentary, you click Export PDF button, and you will receive your PDF with angles, images and your commentary here. Then you can also swap the header with your custom logo and address of your practice here.